Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 25 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/1/3. The question 25A says in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. If AD is equal to x, DB is equal to x minus 2, AE is equal to x plus 2 and EC is equal to x minus 1, then find the value of x. Let's draw the triangle ABC. DE is parallel to BC. AD is x, DB is x minus 2, AE is x plus 2 and EC is equal to x minus 1. By BPT, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. That is x upon x minus 2 is equal to x plus 2 upon x minus 1. That is x into x minus 1 is equal to x plus 2 times x minus 2, which is x square minus x is equal to x square minus 4. X square gets cancelled, that is x equal to 4. Question 25b says, in the figure given above, triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. Then find the values of x and y. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, the ratio of the corresponding sides are proportional. So AB upon XY is equal to BC upon YZ, which is equal to AC upon XZ. Here AB is 4, XY is X, BC is 6 centimeter, YZ is 7.2, AC is Y and XZ is 6 centimeter. So here we have to find the values for X and Y. First let's equate these two proportionalities. 4 upon x equal to 6 upon 7.2. That is x is equal to 4 into 7.2 upon 6, which is 4.8 centimeter. For y, let's equate these two proportionalities. That is 6 upon 7.2 is equal to y upon 6. So y is equal to 6 into 6 upon 7.2, which is 36 upon 7.2. On simplifying, we get 5 centimeter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.